Hey, welcome to bonus number one, 3 affiliate sources of income. Now, I wanted to include this bonus, that way I at least give you some to work with, something to be able to just get started with. And so I feel like 3 is a good number. Inside of the affiliate marketing course, that's going to be on the bottom of this page. If you want to kind of take a look at it, I'm going to be giving a lot more sources, like a ton more. I can only really include 3 on this specific bonus because it's really all I have room for. Otherwise, it would just go on and on and on, and I feel like it would be overwhelming. And I think that people that are going to join the affiliate marketing course would really appreciate being able to have access to like a list of different sources of affiliate, different affiliate programs that they can join. And so we're really going to be discussing 3. Now, before you join these 3, I want you to keep in mind that as soon as you join and you have access to your affiliate links, you don't need to be just going on social media, post on Facebook, hey, check this out, and then post your link. That's the wrong way to do it. It's considered spam. It doesn't work. You'll get your account shut down. You especially don't go into Facebook groups and do that because that'll get you kicked out of the group, probably get your Facebook account shut down. But you got to do it the right way. But before we get into traffic and how to do it the right way, you need to understand that you need to have a good landing page to collect their email, collect their information, and a good email autoresponder to be able to follow up with them. We're not going to be going over those 2 softwares in this bonus. We're going to cover them in the next bonus, which is after this one, okay, bonus 2. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you 3 affiliate sources of income that are pretty awesome. Here's the page. First one is the Funnel Away Challenge, One Funnel Away Challenge. This is a challenge that you can send people to, and every time somebody signs up for the challenge, you get $100 in commissions each and every time somebody goes to the page, signs up, and boom, you're done. So that is a really cool challenge. I've personally done that challenge twice, and it is pretty awesome. Then you got the Traffic Secrets book. This is a book by one of my mentors, Russell Brunson, and it's all about traffic. The reason why I included this and not some of his other books is because traffic is probably the thing that people struggle with the most when it comes to affiliate marketing. And I think that's a great book, but it's not really the starting book. There are 2 other books that you really want to start with if you're going to personally read them. I have all 3. In fact, I've got Traffic Secrets right here. As you can see, I'm not just saying that it's an amazing product. You know, I actually have it. I actually have 2 of these books. I've got the audio version, which I like to listen to audiobooks more than I do read the physical ones. I usually just get the audiobook and I get the physical copy to just kind of add to my collection. But that's, you actually get commissions every time that you send somebody to get this book. It's actually a free book. All you got to do is pay for shipping. So it's a really cool offer. And Marketer Magic. This is a software that I personally use. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to show you what it is. I'm not here to sell these things to you, so please do not start going there. Really what I'm doing is I'm showing you that these are 3 options that you could promote as an affiliate. Okay, and you technically do not have to be a part of these. You don't have to buy these. You could just promote them and make money, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, and so now at the bottom of the page, as a reminder, if you want to check out the affiliate marketing bonus course, that is that's going to be pretty amazing. You're welcome to just click on this, and it'll take you to the page where you can check it out. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge, all right? This is actually my affiliate link. As you can see, it's the onefunnelaway.com challenge, and then here's my affiliate link, my affiliate ID right here, 645821. Every time somebody comes to this page that I send them to and they purchase, the affiliate ID is attached to that order. But this is basically how to get your one funnel set up within the next 30 days, and it shows you how to do it. It costs $100. All it is $100 to join. I've done it twice, and I've sold a couple of these too, just as something I did on the side. and you get all kinds of really cool stuff. But the point is this is a really good starting point of something that you can promote that you can make $100 per customer. And there's also some back end stuff that you could eventually get as well. But we're just going to talk about the $100. All right. And the second thing is going to be Traffic Secrets. This is the book that I just showed you, and it's a place you can send people to. Check it out, the URL. There's my affiliate ID right there. So every time somebody buys, boom, I get a commission, and it's where you can send people to get a free book. And there are some upsells and different things. I did the audiobook, and I think I also did one of the courses. But he also has another book called .com Secrets and then Expert Secrets. I have all three. And anyway, that's one of them. And I'm going to show you a breakdown on the commissions you can make from this. And then there's Marketer Magic. This is a software that I use. And what it is, it's a marketing software that has multiple different softwares within itself. Now, let me give you an example. Let's see here. ClickProof. This is where you go to a website. You see a little pop-up come up, and what that is, it's called Social Proof. It's ClickProof, and it says that Susie from Orlando signed up, or Jack from Northwestern Indiana signed up. I don't even know if there is a Northwest, but basically every time somebody signs up for something, it shows them. It shows how many live visitors are on the page at that moment. And what it does is it does something psychologically to people that are viewing the page. It actually shows them that people are engaging and purchasing and looking, and it just kind of, it really helps with the sales process. Live Pick is another one where you can take a picture of yourself with like a whiteboard or something, and you can write a message that's customized. Work Hub, if you want to hire digital assistants, you can keep track of their hours and their pay. Email Verifier, if you have an email list and you want to verify that list and get rid of all of the junky emails and all the crap so it doesn't clog your your list and cause you to go to spam, that's a good one. Live Verifier, this is one, a really cool one. I can't really go over all of them. Many Leads is a really awesome one. If you need a list of businesses within a specific niche anywhere in the United States, this will generate that list for you. For example, if I wanted a list of all of the car wash places in Nashville, Tennessee, boom, it'll generate it, and maybe I can call them and try to sell my services if you're in a digital agency, or if you want to build a funnel that's specific to car washes, you could say, hey, I'll sell you this funnel for $100, whatever. Then it's got a link shortener that you send people to a smaller version of a link instead of this really long link. And then there's some really Transcribely is a pretty good one. It's got a lot of cool stuff. All right. And what it is that every time you send somebody to this page and they sign up, they become a monthly member. This is one I wanted to include because it's monthly residual income, monthly residual commissions, and it's pretty awesome. Let's get a breakdown of this. Now let's go back to, if you click on right here, get your affiliate, create your affiliate account, either here or even here. It's going to take you to this page here, and this is where you can create your affiliate account, and it's with a company called ClickFunnels, and we're going to talk more about ClickFunnels in the next bonus, and we're going to talk about that. I'm going to be giving you some free templates, and I'll show you how to set everything up. But basically, it's there's a lot of different affiliate products that you can promote within this one affiliate program. And I think I've made over, $10,000 since, just kind of doing it on the side. We'll take a look because I think I have my affiliate login on the next tab. But there are different things that you can promote. All kinds of different things like Traffic Secrets, One Funnel Away Challenge, these 2 books, 30-day summit. You get $100 every time somebody goes there. It's actually a free summit. It's a free training you send people to, but once they sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge through the summit, you get $100. But anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this page after you click on on this button, create your affiliate account, and you're going to fill all of this out, and then you're going to create your account. Okay, it doesn't cost anything. All you got to do is just fill it out, and you're going to create your account. Once you do that, you're going to come to a page like this, and this is my affiliate account, so I can show you two things: where everything is, and also number two, to show you that I've actually made money with this. But this is not really something that I promoted full time or I took extremely serious. This is just something I kind of did on the side just for fun. But lifetime, I've made over $10,000. And it's just something I kind of do on the side. So, I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. It's just kind of play money, you know, sort of thing. But for you, it could literally be a full-time income. But what you do is we want to do the one funnel away. So you're going to go here and you're going to click on Get My Affiliate Tools. All right. You're going to come to a page like this. Once you click on Affiliate Tools, Get My Links. And this is the one funnel away challenge. Your affiliate link will automatically be populated right here. As you can see, my affiliate ID, 645821, is right there. It is not going to show that for you. You're going to have a unique affiliate ID that's going to have something called sticky cookies attached to it. What that means is that every time somebody goes to your affiliate link, even if they don't buy right away, and let's say that they shut their computer down, close the tab, close the window, but they come back, you know, the next day or the next, you know, a month from then, you know, your affiliate link is sticky cookie to their computer, to their browser. And when they buy, you get a commission. You get $100 every time that somebody signs up. And that is pretty awesome. There's some additional, you know, different things that you can use down there, but that's how you do it. Okay. Now, once you create your affiliate account and you get your One Funnel Away Challenge affiliate link, just kind of have that ready, because we're going to go over that in the next bonus, which is in the next training. And we got traffic secrets. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to take you to a page like this. And there is your unique affiliate ID that is going to be on here. That's your link that you're going to be used. There's even additional, you know, options that you can use if you want to, you know, send somebody straight to the order form or to the sales page. But we're not really going to be covering any of that. Your affiliate link is all really you need to be concerned about. But check this out. Every time that somebody goes to the main page and gets the free book, you're going to earn $1. Now, all you got to do is stop right there. You've done it. You're ready to pay off all of your debt. No, I'm just kidding. But you earn $1. And that's not the point. That's not the reason you're doing this. Because after they get the free book, it's going to take them to another page which offers the audiobook. I actually got the audiobook. It's awesome. And they're going to pay $37 for the audiobook. And then you're going to get $14.80. It's going to offer the 2-day event that they can go to. It's called an order bump, or it's called an upsell. It's $97. And I actually did that. And you're going to earn $38 every single time. See how awesome that is? Then it's going to offer them the trilogy box set, which is all 3 books together, and the first 2 books have actually been updated, and it's a pretty cool set. And it's $97, and you can earn from that, and there are 2 additional options on that page. You can earn up to $99. And then it's going to offer a special training on an upsell for $397 called Funnelytics. I've actually gone through it. And one of the reasons that I've become an expert in digital marketing is because I've gone through so many different courses and masterminds with different successful entrepreneurs, and Russell Brunson is one of my personal mentors that has mentored me to help me to become successful. You get $125 every single time. So we're talking about an average earnings. Every time you sell a book, every time you sell a free book, you can earn on average $264. Do the math. If you send 300 people to that, that's a pretty good chunk of money. All right. But those are the 3 sources of affiliated income. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go to the very next page. All you got to do is just click right down here to go to next lesson. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set all this up. I'm going to show you how to get your landing pages and your sales funnel set up. I'm going to give you 2 free templates that you can use. And I'm going to be showing you how to set it all up. And then the next section after that, I'm going to show you 3 traffic sources that you can start using today. All right, so go ahead and get started. Click on the next lesson and I'll see you in that lesson.